Wow, beautiful. Very nice. Oh. Hello everybody, welcome to Babshi Home Cooking channel. Today I will fry this rice paper. You know this rice paper after this fry, oh, like very much like a snow, you know. And then after fry, when we eat it like a shock. You know, when you drink something alcohol or wine or something gin tonic, you know, beer, we do this very nice. Do you know? So I will introduce the ingredients: rice paper and cooking oil. Okay, now you will see after I fry and like a snow. Shh. After that, it's very simple. And when you drink some beer or something alcohol, eating. Yes. Now I will try. First, we put oil. You don't need to put many oil. This is a cooking oil. Okay, let's start now. Oil is very wow. Wow, beautiful, very nice. Oh, wow, like a flower. Very beautiful. Oh, wow. Many different kinds of food. Ooh, so nice. Ooh. Like a flower. Wow, very interesting. Whee! Nice, huh? I will make a mountain today. Oh. Wow, look at this. Wow, so fantastic. Very surprised. Wow, very surprised. Wow, ready. Wow! Surprise! Wow! Yes, now I put a choco powder. If you like any salty, you can put a salty. You know, this is dessert. Or if you drink some alcohol, beer or wine, and then salty you can put. I put this choco powder like a dessert. Wow, so nice. Snow.